Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a blueberry and brie grilled cheese. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks for stopping by. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, head down to the corner, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make a blueberry and brie grilled cheese sandwich. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We've got 4 pieces of Vienna bread, 4 pieces of cheddar cheese, about a half a cup of blueberries, 2 tablespoons of butter, and we have some brie cheese that we're going to slice up and make our grilled cheese. All right, we've got our brie cheese, and I'm just going to make sure the wrapper is off of it. And you want to leave it out at room temperature to soften up a bit. It'll also bring out a lot of the flavor. Now this rind on the outside is basically just the mold that keeps it encased, and you can see how delicate and creamy that is. All right, we've got our cast iron griddle here. One side is flat, the other side is grooved. You can do steaks on that side, and on this side you can do pancakes, eggs, bacon, burgers, like we're doing right now. We're doing grilled cheeses on it, but the other side is pretty awesome for doing steaks or scallops or something that you want to put a mark on. But this is in my Amazon store. Check out the link down there, and you can get the link to that and buy it for yourself. It's pretty easy, pretty cheap. There's our mise en place. We've got our blueberries, our butter, our cheese, our bread, and our utensils we're going to need for that. So we're going to focus now on the grill here. So I'm going to turn it on and get this baby hot where we want it to be. It is pre-seasoned as well, so you don't have to worry about seasoning it when you buy it. I'm going to let this get to where it's supposed to be, but right now I'm going to go ahead and just shave off some of this brie. It gets hot pretty quick. I'm going to go ahead and just put some butter on there just to test how hot it is. Like I said, this gathers heat pretty quick, so you're not going to be wasting a lot of time. Alright, just butter your bread, place it down on the griddle. Then we're going to go ahead and throw our cheddar on there. Our brie. You can put on as much as you want or as little as you want. And then your blueberries. You can use raspberries, you can use blackberries, you can slice up strawberries, do the same thing, but this we're doing with some blueberries. Let's let this get gooey and start melting. Alright, our cheddar has melted. I'm just going to take and throw it on top of this one. Same with that. Put them side by side. I want to melt some of that brie on there and get those blueberries to kind of meld in there as well. So I'm going to keep cooking it. You want to get it color crust on there on both sides and get that cheese to melt. Be the perfect grilled cheese. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get these to where they're brown like this and the cheese is melted, and then I'm going to take these off, cut them, throw them on a plate, do a photo shoot, throw those pictures into the timeline with some really groovy music. Then we're going to come back and we're going to taste these. So enjoy the pictures and enjoy the music. See you in a bit. sandwich in there. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be good. You got the crispness of the bread, the butteriness in there, the creaminess of the cheese. You get a little fruit bite when you hit that blueberry, but that cheese is just incredible. Just melty and creamy. Good crunch. This is an incredible sandwich. Hope you give it a try. Blueberry and Brie grilled cheese sandwich. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to check that link down there, Amazon link for the cast iron griddle. It's a great piece of equipment. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out the description box on your way out. Not only does it contain the recipe for this show, but it also has a bunch of groovy links. I have a gourmet seasoning shop on Etsy and also have a cookbook on sale. Those links are down there. Don't forget to check out the playlists I've got down there for how to create a cooking show on YouTube, and also a playlist link for how to improve your channel and help it grow. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and then make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.